Changing your payout method on AllTrails is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AllTrails website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile section, often represented by your profile picture and icon. Step 3. Find payout information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update payout method. Select the option to edit or change your payout method. Enter the new payment information as required, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on AllTrails. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AllTrails support for assistance.